we're talking about Super Clean. Those of you who have been following me for a while know that Super Clean's a longtime supporter of the channel. And you can see by the fence behind me how horrible it looks, so I thought this might be a good job for Super Clean. Now this stuff has to be mixed. You can't use it straight. And I mix mine about 1:5 ratio, Super Clean to water, and put it in a spray pump like you see here. And folks, just watch the results. They speak for themselves. Spray it down with the Super Clean, let it soak for a few minutes, scrub it with a brush, and then hit it with the power washer. And you can see the dirt and grime just slide right off the fence. And in my opinion, the before and after says it all. I'm going to put some links down in the description below so you guys can pick up some Super Clean for yourselves. If you have tough jobs around the house that need some cleaning, this is definitely the product to get. Now I want to thank Super Clean for sponsoring today's video. You folks have a great day, and I'll see you soon.